In just about a week, local health authorities have confirmed 2 cases of monkeypox, and while in some parts of the world the index case in some countries has been linked to recent travel history, it would appear that Guyana's first case came out of nowhere. Health officials have not yet been able to confirm and make public the source of infection, but Medical Microbiologist at the Virology Department of the Eureka Medical Laboratories Incorporated, Paul Chetty, holds the view that there needs to be a vigorous surveillance mechanism in place to extensively examine ways in which the virus is being transmitted, to charter a course for effective monitoring and containment of the disease. Potential modes of transmission that can be looked at as the source of infection for the index case, Chetty detailed, are respiratory droplets, sweat, saliva, and other methods of direct contact.
So unless we really go out into the communities and try to understand where the disease is, like in terms of how many people are affected, we probably won't know what the possible source of infection is. And then we need to understand what's the interrelationship between these infected people. Did they cross paths at some time? And how did that happen?
Monkeypox, according to the World Health Organization, is considered a zoonotic disease. Zoonotic diseases are infections that pass from animals to humans. While noting that a One Health approach is best in response to the disease, Chetty said that the health officials can also seek to include animal health agencies in its prevention and containment strategies.
There can be infection from animals to humans, and there have been some instances where humans also infect animals, especially if you're interacting with an animal. And so there needs to be a more collaborative approach. As part of the discussions that we should be having at the public health level, it should involve the people from the Ministry of Agriculture who are going out there testing animals. And when we consider the testing approach, it shouldn't just only be humans, but where is it occurring in the animal population?
Although monkeypox was reportedly first discovered in monkeys in a laboratory setting in Denmark, it is said to hardly infect monkeys. The medical microbiologist informed that dogs are commonly known as a primary reservoir for monkeypox infection, even more than monkeys, followed by birds. A reservoir in the monkeypox context is an animal that can transmit the disease but does not suffer or die from it. Health Minister Dr. Frank Anthony on Wednesday indicated that persons who were in close contact with the country's index case are yet to show monkeypox-related symptoms, as they remain in isolation. Monkeypox was first identified in 1958 at a laboratory in Denmark, when it was discovered in monkeys that had been imported from Singapore a couple months earlier. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.